guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be making Nkwobi. You guys, you don't even want to miss this recipe and you don't want to keep spending money outside buying things when you can make it. So let's go straight into the recipe. First thing, you would need to boil your cow foot, your cow leg, and you're going to season this with some salt, onion and seasoning cube. Add some water and just cover to boil. Take note that this can take very long to cook and be soft depending on the kind of cow leg that you get in the market. So cook this for a very long time. If you have a pressure cooker, that will even be better. Once your cow leg is cooked and it is very soft and the water is almost dry, you need to cook it till the water is almost dry and thick in your pot. It is going to look like this, and then you can proceed to taking them out of the water and setting it aside while we get into the next stage of making Nkwobi. If this is your first time coming across my channel, do well to subscribe so you never miss any of my videos. So the next thing you would want to do is to add some palm oil into a saucepan or into a pot. And to this palm oil, we're going to be adding edible potash that I have mixed with water. This is what we're going to mix together to help the palm oil to curdle and give us that bright orange or yellowish color that you see in your Nkwobi. This is the major base for the Nkwobi sauce and it is so delicious, you guys. It is either called akau or potash. It is called potash in English and akau in the market. So to that, we're going to add some salt, some crayfish powder and some ehuru, which is African nutmeg. And also we're going to be adding some ground Cameroon pepper, seasoning cube for taste, and we're going to mix all of this together with diced onion. You're going to mix this into the curdled oil till everything is well incorporated. Make sure to taste it and make sure that the taste is just as perfect as you want it, okay? This particular sauce is so yummy. It's the same one that is used for abacha, African salad. So the next thing we're going to be adding will be our ugba, which is oil bean. I love this so much. Like, I love it so much. And once you've mixed that in, we're going to now incorporate our cooked cow leg that is already very soft. You guys, I'm salivating just watching this video and doing this voiceover right now. You're going to just mix everything all up, mix till everything is well incorporated. As you can see here, it's looking so nice, so like you just want to lick your plate at this point. And my kitchen smells like a bar. Okay, it smells like a bar at this point. Mix till everything is well incorporated and add some diced pepper just for some extra heat. Add as much as you like or as little as you like, and then you're going to just adjust the taste, maybe with seasoning cube if it needs some, but if it doesn't, you can skip that. Mine needed, so I had to add a little bit of seasoning cube to it. So once we mix all of this together, the next thing will be to just transfer it to our cooker again and allow it to heat up a little bit just for it to be warm, not like we're trying to cook it. And your Nkwobi is ready. You guys, let me know how much you pay for a plate of Nkwobi when you go out to eat, okay? Try this recipe for your family, for your friends this weekend, and you will just love it, okay? Now I'm just going to dish my Nkwobi into my white bowl. Usually it is served in like a wooden bowl in all this bar, but I don't have that, so I'm using my white bowl. I'm going to serve it, stack it up a lot. And then I'm going to garnish with some uziza leaves that I have already diced up. You can get this to buy in any Nigerian market. Just ask those Igbo women, they will hook you up. I'm also going to garnish with some sliced pepper just for extra heat, and you know, the whole paparazzi, and then of course some onion rings. This is what makes it look like that Nkwobi. And then I'm adding some more of that sauce to it just to make it look really appetizing. And tell me, doesn't this look appetizing? Doesn't this look yummy? That is your Nkwobi recipe, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoy, please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.